Hey friends, if number keys are not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So there's something called as a num lock. Now this is what a keyboard looks like. If the number pad keys are not working, then you have to click on this button where I'm hovering the mouse. It's called num lock and this will activate the number pad. Okay, and then you will be able to use those keys. But if it's still not working, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab, scroll down and click on keyboard and make sure that these three switches are off. They should be off. If it still doesn't help, then search for device manager. Open the device manager. Expand the list for keyboards. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.